amount of time it has taken for the WHO EUL to assess the Chinese vaccine has led to some questioning the efficacy and safety of the vaccines. Is such a reaction justified? Or can you tell us why the assessment is taking so long?
WHO put out a standard with 50% efficacy and safety. The Chinese vaccine, both Sinopharm and Sinovac, they met this standard. The Sinovac vaccine, 100% participate are doctors and nurses who are treating the COVID patients. So they have a very high attack rate. So when the attack rate is very high, their virus efficacy is a little bit low. But in the real world study, like in Chile, and the vaccine can provide above 80% hospitalization and ICU, and 80% death prevention. So that's a very good vaccine. I also wonder why for the China vaccine, why it's so slow, and for other countries are much faster. Because the world are really needing the vaccine, like African until now is only a few percentage of their, or even many countries less than 1% of their people receive the vaccine. I do hope after the first one and the other vaccine, not only from China, from all other countries, if they met the standard, international standards, they should all be faster.
What role will the Chinese vaccine play in addressing current challenges like virus mutations and virus continued spread in developing countries, as you said?
If you really want to judge a vaccine, especially its impact on the control of the pandemic, usually we consider three features. One is efficacy, the second is safety. The third, also very important, is accessibility. The inactivated vaccine, they have, I always say it's like a good students, which in study, in physics, in moral, they are all good. It's a complementary, good balance. For some vaccine with a high efficacy, but they need like -70 to store, to transport. So the accessibility is not that good. I think for many developing countries, they can choose according to their own epidemic situation.
Will China be able to carry out its promise given that the vaccination rate within the country is still relatively low?
We are not only the China first, but we are the global first. So we provide the vaccine to Chinese people and people in other countries at the same time. Sinovac is about a little bit more than 50% is to the other countries, about 30 countries. And Sinopharm already provided vaccine to about 60 countries in the world. We are not only have the Sinopharm, Sinovac, but we have at least 2 additional companies that manufacture the inactivated vaccines. And also we have a protein vaccine, we have a viral vector vaccine. They are catching up. So there will be, and the production capacity is scaled up because the vaccine just passed phase 3 trial. They need some time. So our production will be more and more. I mean, 5 billion for this year is only like the first stage. So next year, the production is going way up.